Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to Silent Night 5820XL Test 8. Let's go ahead and take a look at what all I've got installed for today. So moving right along to the pull stations, we have on the left we have a Siemens MSM-K-WP pull station. It's just like a single action pull station, same design as an RSG. As you can see, it's got the key lock on there. It's labeled by Siemens on the bottom. This is actually a weatherproof model pull station. I can't really show you right now, but on the back there's actually like a piece of black foam on there to make it weather tight. So yeah, there it is. You can see on the right I have my Mertone, I think it's 73303, I think is the model of that. 73303, if I'm not mistaken on that. It's kind of a BG8 style pull station, but it's also a fairly common Canadian design that you used to see. So yeah, this is a pretty cool little pull station right here. But yeah, there it is. We'll be pulling both of these today, obviously. So let's move on up. You can see in the notification appliance spots on the left I have chosen my Cerberus Pyrotronics strobe. I'm not entirely sure on the model of this. In fact, I have no idea what it is. I'll take a look at that later, and maybe I'll add it to the description of the video or something. But there it is. It has one of those wheel-lock strobes on them, WM1T strobes on them. I'm blanking on all numbers today. But yeah, there it is. On the right we have an FCI HPB4 horn, vibratone horn. If I zoom in, you can kind of see the label on that, FCI. So yeah, I believe that horn is on code 3, so you'll be hearing that. In the smoke detector spots, we have the 2 addressable detectors. Those are never going to change. But in the middle we have my Edwards 6250 ionization smoke detector. So yeah, for a change, I think we should start with the smoke detector today. Let's try the Edwards one. Okay, so I turned off the fan and removed the smoke detector head for the home system. So now we should be able to spray one of these detectors and get some results. Let's try the Honeywell Silent Night 1 on the right. So I was going to shut that off pretty quickly because that horn is very loud. But as you can see, we have audible silence, and yes, that strobe is rather bright. But we got the smoke detector to activate. Right there. And yeah, there it is. I think next up we'll go ahead and do the Mertone pull station. So as it says, pull here in case of fire. So do right what it says. Pull it out. And then, of course, last but not least, we'll go ahead and pull the Siemens MSMK. And with that, I think that is enough noise for tonight. So, of course, now that we've pulled the pull stations, we have to reset them. So for this one, I'm going to try to do it with one hand, but first, we'll take a look at the model number in here, because I forgot that earlier. And you can see it is a 73303U, so not too far off. I'll go ahead and hold the camera here so you can read that if you want, or pause and read it. But to reset it, you put this back up, and what you do is you basically put a flathead screwdriver, focus, put like a flathead screwdriver down, and you basically press this tab in, and that allows you to push this up and close it. So now I'm going to try to do that with one hand. Might have to set the camera down for a second. Alright, got the panel reset. It was, I just had to set the camera down to do that because you need two hands for that. But that is reset. If we move over to this pull station, get my Siemens key out, which I have to find which one it is. There we are. This one takes a Siemens T45 key. So you just turn it, push the handle up, close it back to reset it. I think I'm going to give another minute for that detector to air out, just because I sprayed a lot of smoke at it. And you can see the strobe flashing away there. Looks very nice. And we will go ahead and reset the panel. So now you can see I hit reset, so the strobe stopped flashing. Pull stations are reset. So it appears our panel is already reset as well. Very nice. So that is the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and to check out the links in my description. Thank you and have a great day.